This is what we have been waiting for. As you can see in front of me here, I have a beautiful crate. And stick around. This is red. You're going to see the yellow. You miss up on that one there.
Jamaican farmers.
Hot.
Jamaican farmers.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. And as you can see, this is the time we have been waiting for. As you see in front of me here, I have a beautiful crate. Alright, and as you can see, this crate is red. Stick around and you will see the yellow crate, alright? My name is Everslick. Welcome back to the channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stick around to see what's going on. Yeah, my viewers, as you can see, we're inside the greenhouse here. Yeah, and as you can see, we're doing some harvesting at this time. Yeah, we have red and yellow bell peppers. We also have green, all right, because you know the pepper are green before it gets ripe. Yes, Sir Campbell, what's going on, man?
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. So at this time, you're cutting peppers.
Yes.
Yeah, my viewers.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Cut them. Blessed.
How you mean, man?
Yeah, man, it's a good feeling, man.
Yeah, man. This is
the best part
Yeah.
of harvest still.
Mm.
Yeah, so.
Yes, my viewers. See what's going on here.
Yeah.
All right, you hear that? Pepper is cutting.
Sorry.
Yeah. The stem of peppers cutting. All right. Yeah.
So we cut it like this because you don't want it too ripe.
Oh, yeah,
So
yeah.
You cut it right fast.
Oh, okay, okay.
Very fast. So.
Yeah. See the next one on here. Yeah. You hear that, guys? You hear that clipping?
They're huge.
Yeah.
Okay, left that one there.
Start ripe, you know?
Yeah.
Right, your quintin full ripe, you know?
Alright, we come back to him.
Yeah, because there's a lot down the line still. Yeah. Yes, my viewers. Looking beautiful. Oh, how is this one here? Oh.
Yes, man. Nah, left it, man. Nah, left my tall.
You want to go find it? Right.
So they're big and nice.
Yes, man. My God.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Nah, left that.
Yeah, my viewers.
And the yellow pepper, you know, it bear more than the red, you know.
Okay,
They
okay.
carry a heavier weight.
Yeah, but it's more delicate than the
Yeah,
red.
it's more delicate, yeah.
Okay, me understand. I understand what's going on.
More delicate.
Look at this one here. Over this side.
Yes, man. Actually, I can't reach on there fully.
Okay,
Me I go on
okay.
there.
Oh, you're going on that side. Yeah, my viewers. We are reaping some peppers, you know. Whoa.
What the size of?
Whoa, yeah. Magnificent.
Yes, man.
Yeah, my viewers. Yes. That's what I'm talking about, the clipping. Yeah. Some of these peppers huge.
Yeah, man, they're huge.
Good. Yeah. Love to see the color red, gold, and green. Yeah. Magnificent. Magnificent, my viewers. Yeah.
So when they're full ripe like these,
Yeah.
they're easy to spoil. So you always try to pick them where they're not fully ripe like this, but they have green, little bit of spot of green inside of it, so they have more shelf life.
Yes, yes. I understand. Okay.
Like this one would be a perfect to cut.
Yeah.
Perfect. You
Right.
understand? This would
Yeah.
be perfect. So even if this have quite a few shelf life.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, it have time on the shelf to ripe some more.
Right.
I understand.
But if you cut them when it's fully ripe,
Yeah.
then
That go fully ripe over spoil.
Yes.
Yeah, me understand. Yeah.
Alright, this one tire.
My viewers, yeah. This one here need chalicing. Yeah. Have to do some chalicing on this one. Alright, we're gonna come back to that one. Yeah. It's all about peppers, my viewers. Bucket, the yellow bucket looking lovely already.
Yeah.
I wonder if it's the color from the pepper the bucket catch.
Yeah, I tell you.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Real. These are peppers. Bucket full already.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. Peppers.
If I empty this and come back.
Yeah, man. The bucket is huge, my people, my viewers. Alright.
I empty this and come back.
Yeah, my viewers, as you can see. Yeah. Going to attack this line. See what's going on. Beautiful. Whoa. Magnificent, my viewers. It's all about pepper. Bell peppers. As you can see back here with the red. This is the red line. Yeah. Whoa. Looking good. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. My viewers. Okay. Whoa. Look at this pepper. Look at this pepper here, my viewers. Look how big this pepper is. My God. Whoa. Huge. Yeah. Huge. Magnificent.
Peppers are a good size this time around. Very good size.
Yeah.
I'm having some little issues with this house though. We have some little disease in this house, in the soil.
Oh, okay.
Disease, yeah. So physium wilt. So once the pepper start to become on a maturity level, then you find out that the plant start dying.
Yeah.
So it's like all the oxygen and everything cut off from it.
Oh, okay.
So what I have to do, I have to drench. We'll start drench the soil this week
Yeah.
with some fungicide. So drench the soil so you try to get the soil back up and running. You know.
Okay.
But I say I have a different plan how to go about the house them next time around. So I'm gonna change out these inventions
Yeah.
and deal with them a little bit different. You understand?
Yeah. Yeah.
So this way, it's gonna be an old method versus what I'm gonna be doing.
Yeah.
So what I'm gonna be doing is gonna cost more. It's gonna cost more money, but it's gonna be a better solution, in terms of agriculture.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean? That
Yes.
time around with that, I will not have much problem. I will be planted in soil, you know, but have more control
Yes. Yes. Yes.
of how I plan to do it.
Right. Right.
You know,
and I
so
will
if-
lose so much plants.
I won't.
Yeah.
I won't be losing so much.
Yeah. Right. I
You know.
understand.
But this way, how I'm planning to do it, I will definitely be seeing more result.
Improvement. Yeah.
Improvement, yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah, man. So
Understand.
just a matter of time, you know?
True.
Just a matter of time, my brother.
Yeah, my viewers, you hear the clippers? Clipping the peppers. Whoa. Yes, my viewers. Yeah. That one just started to yellow.
Yeah. And as I say, look, they ripe very fast. Once you put the fertilizer, get the proper water, nutrient,
Yeah.
look at this one.
Yeah.
Very heavy.
Yeah. Yeah.
And they carry more weight than the red.
Than the red, okay.
Carry more weight and they bear more.
Yes, yes. But them delicate more than the
Yeah,
red.
very delicate. That is
Okay.
the difference too.
Yeah.
So that's something I have to look out for, you know?
Okay, viewers, if you're watching, you can learn something here. Yeah? And the greenhouse.
But as I said, this time around the yellow pepper failed me last year. And it failed me this year again. However, I'm getting more reaping from it this year than last year.
Oh, okay.
So, all the water, because I had some issues with the drain. So what happened when the rain fell the last time, the greenhouse flooded out.
Oh.
'Cause the drain never joined together properly.
Yeah.
So it develop a fungus, a bacteria in the soil.
Okay.
Normally, an agronomist will tell you probably it's a take for some disease take 2 years before it come out of the soil.
Oh.
So the disease will live in the soil.
Right.
Even though you don't plant nothing night.
Yeah.
Up to 2 years.
Yeah, before.
Right, but you can treat the soil by using fungicide and treat it.
Oh.
Right?
Understand.
And you have to keep changing the fungicide without drench the soil.
Yeah.
Because they will get used to
that one where I use. Yeah, so you have to change it.
Right, you alternate
My
it.
God.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you just you learn as you go along as well,
Yeah, true. So each time you plant a crop, you do better and better.
Yes, man. Yes,
Yeah.
definitely.
Understand.
Definitely.
Mm-hmm. I understand what's going on. Whoa. Beautiful, yeah. That look funny,
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Viewers and subscribers, we are now in the greenhouse doing some harvesting. All right. Yeah. Whoa, that one is huge. And it look away.
Yeah, see?
Jesus.
So these are the physium wilt.
Mm-hmm.
So that once you catch it, you see it? So the side at the bottom of them, the
Oh,
root of them.
yeah.
It cause problems, see?
Take the root.
Right. If you look at it, see it?
Mm-hmm.
The root are right out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think them have a chemical where they just make one spray and get rid of it.
Well, remember now, the plant suck from the root.
Yeah.
So whatever in the root, it's going to affect the plant.
Yeah, true.
And the dirt.
True.
Right? But you have foliar spray that we use to strengthen the plant itself.
Right.
So
make it stronger, that's it, Try to reject from it.
Right.
Yeah. Wow. On to this one.
Huh? What is it?
This one, yeah.
Okay. So get past them,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
There's so much.
Circle. There is too much.
What is one again? Big size.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Man.
Yeah.
I'm really pleased with the quality, I should say.
Yeah.
I'm really pleased with the quality, but I figure out the problem. I see the problem, so I just need to fix it.
Yeah, so next time,
Yes,
it
man.
will be better.
Yes, man, definitely.
Yeah.
You see, agriculture take money,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So what I need to do, once I start making the money, I can actually adjust myself.
Right. And so you go ahead, you learn.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
I just watch it.
Whoa.
What this?
Magnificent.
Size paper, yeah.
Try to pan it to you with the one hand.
Can't
Watch
pan.
your man.
Can't pan it.
My God, my viewers.
Can't pan it, man.
See one here now.
Yeah?
See one here.
Oh, come here, go run it. So.
Oh.
Sometimes you don't want to.
Yeah, me understand.
Yeah, because you damage your root.
Yes,
plant,
stretch
right?
through,
Yeah.
fit right.
By pulling it too much from the other side.
Whoa. Magnificent. Magnificent, man. Bottom one. Yeah. That's the clipping, my viewers. That's the clipping. That's the clipping. Yeah, my viewers. Yeah.
Right. Go up on that one there again. Like you see the whole of them are I plan to ripe up and now.
Yeah.
Now is the time we actually in a time now where we have to give them certain amount of water per day and certain amount of
You mean less water?
no man.
Oh, more water?
More water because the time
Oh, yeah.
the time is hot, so once you give them the water certain way, they will be taking the water. So you look at these are physical, but you can't give them too much water.
Yes.
Too much water, so you have to check the soil and see how the water level stay upon it before you
In
give
the
them.
soil.
This one can't take too much water.
Yeah.
Period.
Mm-hmm.
Can't take too much water. Like it really red pepper water, this one you have to monitor probably at one time a day if you don't mind sharp.
Yeah, you have to take caution.
You have to take caution with this. So
Yeah.
this pepper is a very delicate pepper to grow.
Okay.
A lot of farmers don't grow yellow pepper because of the same reason.
Mm-hmm.
Same reason.
Yeah.
But however, what I'm planning to do, as I told you, the method I'm coming with, I will be planting a lot of yellow pepper because I realize a lot of farmers don't plant it.
Yes,
so if
right.
I can grow it that way,
Yeah.
oh, I plan to grow it instead of this way,
Yeah.
then I will have a better harvesting yield. I will be able to have a better quality peppers coming up.
And
as
more
well.
yellow pepper.
And more yellow pepper as well.
Yeah. Magnificent. Yeah. Because you hardly see the yellow pepper at the market.
But
Yeah.
yellow pepper, I've been telling already.
Delicate.
Yes, very delicate. And everybody free right.
Yeah, me understand.
Everybody free for grow it. Because a lot of people free for grow it.
Yeah.
And I do understand why too. Because I've been telling you before, you know, I did decide to not plant more yellow pepper, but after a while you can't plant enough plant yellow.
That's true, man.
Yellow really sell.
Yeah.
And it's in high demand.
Right. Yes, one is huge. Yeah. Yeah, that's a huge one there, man. Yeah. Yeah, my viewers. You're here in the greenhouse. We are here in the greenhouse doing some clipping. Yeah, the man of ceremony doing some clipping, cutting some peppers, you know. Here is a nice root of callaloo here. Just need 2 dumpling. Alright, my viewers? Yeah? Seems like callaloo that do well inside here. Yeah, my viewers. We are here. We are here. We are here inside the greenhouse. We're trying to get yellow and red. Okay. Here is inside of the bucket. Look at this pepper, man. My God.
Yes, man, them huge.
Hey, I tell you,
Huge.
man. Pepper just chunk up in this up. Yes, sir. All right, my viewers. I need to do a video. The clipping of the cutting of the peppers. Yeah. Yes, my viewers. You hear the cutting? You hear that cutting? It's mean pepper. Oh my God, look on this one here, man. That's good. Wow. Lovely pepper.
Hello.
Yeah. My viewers.
Enough of them car they want change out.
Oh, okay.
And not only say they want change, they want wrap and clip. And that me telling to do. We what?
Yeah. Huge. Huge pepper. That one huge.
It's so funny, man. May I get more paper than what I expect out of the house here.
Yeah. That one tie up. Yeah. Viewers, peppers huge. Clipping of peppers. Whoa. Magnificent. Yeah, man, the next one over there. Oh, yeah.
That's all grown.
Yeah. Dark cherry. Call this one dark cherry. Yes, my viewers. Dark cherry that.
Yes. That one there.
Right up in line. Dark cherry. This one is a dark cherry. You know when the apple just start to ripe. My God. Yeah. Beautiful. Wow. Yeah, have to make a empty on this bucket here. Yeah, make a empty on the bucket here.
So right now, this will be basically almost 200 pounds of pepper.
Yeah. That's it.
Oh, I don't want to come in now.
Yeah, one of them line up.
Yeah, this. And so funny because once the pepper start ripe like this, by next week,
Yeah.
by next 2 weeks time, everything
More.
cherry.
Yeah.
Everything cherry in our house.
Yeah,
so,
true.
Which is good.
Yeah.
So I need to get these girls coming now, come do some additional clipping and trellising.
Okay.
And as I mentioned to you about this, the tomatoes.
The
that I have
tomato. Oh
here.
yeah, there are some
Now-
tomatoes here.
Right.
My viewers.
Alright, look at this. So this is a sucker basically. I have to go and retie about that. I need to come do some work for tomorrow. Alright, this is a sucker. Right?
Oh.
So this is a sucker. So all of the
So that is a clipping cut off the tree.
yes.
Okay.
Because what happened now, all of this is a sucker
Yeah.
from the tomato. So if this grow tall enough, what it does though, it take all the nutrients. And this is the blossom where the tomato come from.
Okay.
Right. So what you do here, you pick out this.
Right.
With a prune. So you pick out this.
Right.
So now that this is a sucker because that would have grown just like how this grow from this.
Yes.
So it sucked on the pepper, the tomato.
Yeah.
So what I will be doing now is boom, clip this. Bam. Right? Bam again. And all of these stuff you see right here.
Yeah.
These are roots. A lot of people don't know.
Oh.
Then you can replant tomatoes. Sucker. You buy one tomato tree and you get 1,000 from it.
Okay.
1,000.
Okay.
So all you have to do.
So like this piece here can plant. This piece can plant here.
Well, these pieces are because that don't have an eye.
Oh.
So this have an eye already. So,
Okay.
So what you do now? You just look for a drip hole right here. And you just bore the hole, right?
Right.
And tomato and pepper, the deeper you plant it, the bigger they come.
Oh.
A lot of people don't know that as well.
Yes.
Alright?
Yes.
Squeeze it down. And you leave him there.
Yeah.
And you're surprised. You come back here a week from now,
Yeah.
you might catch.
It is a plant.
Yes, man.
Okay.
Nothing gonna stop it from grow.
Okay.
One thing get proper water or something,
Mm-hmm.
nothing stop it from grow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Understand what's going on with the tomato.
So if you're looking at this royal law, you can see we have some local issues because they want to trellis some back.
Yeah.
Back. Got about pop off.
Yeah, the way is blocked up.
Right.
Yeah.
So then we'll go do some work tomorrow.
The way is blocked up. Need to be chalicing, pruning, and all those stuff to get the way clear. But yes, my viewers, we have tomato here blossoming. So you know, sooner or later we're gonna get tomato. Alright. Yeah, my viewers. It's all about chalicing. Yeah, we keep the card around the plant so it grow like this one here. like this one here. So it grow out of the card. We wrap it around the card. Yeah. That's chalicing. Always keep it up. So that is the reason why it don't drop down like these one here. Alright? Yeah. Pruning, we cut off some of the branches, leaves, you know. Yeah, give the plant more year to breed. So it bear more. Alright? Yeah, my viewers. We're still inside the greenhouse here. Yeah, give them some.
So you see,
Some chalice in. Click them at the same time.
yeah.
Yeah.
All of these things supposed to be wrap and
Up.
wrap,
Yeah.
right? That means to say, you know the problem.
Mm-hmm.
You know, if one thing about it, you know, as a boss, you don't have to be here. You're not supposed to be every time for something get done.
Yeah.
But knowing that how Jamaican operate, we have a slavery mindset. If somebody's not over you, you don't want to get the job done.
True.
Right? And, you know, the thing about it, I have no issue coming here every day. Right? Because I love to do what I do. But, you know, I have other business that I operate as well.
Mm-hmm.
And that is the thing. But I'm getting everything under control after a period of time. So
True.
that's all right.
Yeah, my viewers. Yeah, all these trees down. Someone should be here putting up back these trees, but I guess everyone is off. I guess everyone is off. As you can see, my viewers, these trees are very, very young. But as you can look, there is pepper. There is pepper. Alright? There is pepper on them. Started to bear. Look. As you can see, very short, but started to bear. 2 weeks from the nursery, them started to blossom. So yes, it's all about bell peppers. Alright, my viewers, look on this tree here. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look very closely. 6 pepper on this one, 7 pepper on this one tree. And it have on blossom also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it have blossom on it also. So yes. The most magnificent time of when you plant something, you know, the reaping time. That is the most awesome part of the farming. All right, so yes, it's all about, we have 3 crates of pepper here. So as you can see, I'm going to show you shortly what's going on. 4 crate, we have a yellow crate and we have 3 red crate of bell peppers. All right, so stick around, you will see what's going on. All right, yes, my viewers, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, as you can see. All right. Yes, my viewers, it's all about reaping. Reaping the bell peppers. Check the one there right there. Like it red.
This?
Yeah.
Can't pick out.
Let me see one on the other side, yellow, red. Yeah, my viewers. Are them tree them just roll?
Where?
Over there, sir. On the side there.
Oh.
The tree roll on there. Beautiful. Yes, sir. Magnificent. Awesome. Come to that one.
No, the next side.
Oh. So this one, look on this one here.
That's there.
Oh.
Next one, alright. What happened, you know? No, I pick up all of them because I want them. What
Yeah,
happened,
next time.
the gas where they release,
Oh.
I make the next one there right.
Okay.
Yeah. So
I
once
never
you
know
find
that.
out, yeah.
Give that information again. You mean when them start to ripe?
Yeah, once one start to ripe,
Yeah.
you give off a special gas.
Oh.
So what it means that the next one to it go ripe, even if the next one to ripe, the next maturity one,
Yes.
the fittest one will ripe because the gas starts spread.
Oh.
It just signifies of a banana, ripe banana.
Yeah.
You just want one to start ripe.
True.
And then you find out everything start ripe rapidly.
Okay.
Because it's sell off a special gas. And that's what it is.
Okay, my viewers, you
Yeah.
hear that? You
what
learned
it is.
something here. Yeah. Peppers. Right, the 1, 2 more in that crate?
No man, make good also.
Okay.
Whatever it is, we just work with it.
Okay. I put 2 out of this over there, so. And look even. Cause this one high. Yeah, just take 2 the corner tight. Yeah. Yeah. All of them look even. Yeah, my viewers.
So by right, when you pick pepper, red pepper, you want to get them like this yourself. Like
Right.
this color.
Right.
Like this color, because I say like girl you want green in it.
Yeah.
So like this. So this is the actual full ripe. Like this, fully ripe.
Yeah.
This is fully ripe.
Yeah.
But you're trying not to sell them as ripe as
Right.
this.
Yes.
Because what it means that by transportation and them to keep it or whatever, them are gonna lose because
Extra ripe.
to extra ripe on them. I know it I get onto hot time.
Yeah.
So like this alright, cause you have one in it, but you still have some little darker color way. Still have more maturity stage to go.
Yeah.
So try to get them as close as this.
Okay.
As close as this or like this.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, with a little
Right.
red, a little green in it.
Right, like
So
how
it
this now,
continue right.
this couldn't go look more. But it's alright, you know what I mean, as I said.
Yeah. It have a longer shelf span.
You're right.
You're right.
It does, yeah.
Understand. Yeah, my viewers.
So all of them I know about, so we'll talk about almost 200 pounds of pepper, yeah, so.
Okay.
Simple as I see it.
Yeah, 4 crate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Almost.
Yeah.
The least
Yeah.
I get out of each one are 40 pounds.
Yeah, yeah.
So 460. So even if I 160 or so 4,
Yeah. Yeah. Almost
yeah,
200.
almost 200.
Yeah, man.
So you go.
Yeah, man. For real. We are going off the farm now. Get what we supposed to get, what we come for. 4 crate of pepper, 1 yellow, 1 red. Okay, my viewers. So stick around. Look to see what's coming next, alright? If you want to watch the next video, you can watch. Watch this one here. But if not, you can go ahead and watch this one. Peace. Alright? I'm out.